hope you are as excited as I am to start our Kids Heart Challenge this year. So I have a big question. Are you ready? Are you ready to move more, to get active, to learn about your heart, and to learn some new jump rope skills and tricks? So if you are, let's get started. So our heart heroes this year are a bunch of friendly monsters, and we're headed out on a road trip across the United States to learn more about our bodies, the American Heart Association, how to be active, how to be healthy, how to be kind. So I'm going to hand it over to them and let them introduce themselves to you.
Hi, I'm Sky. I want everyone to say no to tobacco and vaping. I care about clean lungs and clean air. I have a black belt in martial arts, and I use my skills to protect people by defeating tobacco. Hi, I'm Flash. I am always on the move. I like to play soccer, tennis, and I like to walk with my friends. When I get active, I feel better in my body and my mind. Hey, I'm Crew. I love to be part of the team. I like to hear what my teammates think, and I know sometimes being a great team member is about helping others cheer the rest of the team on together. I'm Lee. I like to help others by coming together to accomplish goals or solve problems. I'm a great listener, I respect others, and I never allow bullying. I'm Banks, and I seriously love water. I always drink lots of water every day to help my body be its best, and I'm very careful not to waste our water resources. I am never without my fin floaty. I'm Amor, and I have a super kind heart, and this is my therapy dog, Max. I visit kids with special hearts and help them feel great, and I feel great when I help others feel good too.
Alright, so now as a thank you gift from me and the American Heart Association, as you raise money, you are going to get some gifts and some keychains to say thank you for all the hard work that you're doing. So if you raise $5, you're going to earn Crew. $10, you're going to earn Sky and Crew. $40, you're going to earn Flash, Lee, Sky, and Crew. So the more money you raise, the more gifts you're going to get back. So these are our friends. If you raise $200 or more, you're going to get all of our Heart Hero friends to take home with you. You can hang them on your backpacks, you can hang them on a lanyard, so you can have them as a thank you from the American Heart Association to say thanks for fundraising for our challenge. Something exciting this year, we also have mystery gifts. So the mystery gifts, I don't know what they are. They're little keychains of some sort that will go with your Heart Heroes. So for every $50 you raise, you are going to get another mystery gift. So this is something I don't know what it is. It's a mystery. You're going to get to open it and see what kind of cool keychain you get to add to your Heart Heroes. We also have jump ropes back this year. So if you raise just $15, you're going to get a jump rope. They're red and blue, so you can practice your jump rope skills at home. If you raise $75, you are going to get an awesome Heart Hero kickball. This is Nico from last year. We'll have a new one for this year, but you are going to get yourself an awesome kickball if you raise $75. Next up, we have Finn's mission. So Finn here is a Heart Hero who's had some different heart surgeries. He has a special heart, and he is challenging you to learn a bunch of different things to keep yourself healthy and your friends and family healthy. So if you take on Finn's mission, there's about 8 or 9 steps you're going to have to take to complete the mission. You're going to learn hands-only CPR, the signs of a stroke, you're going to move more, you're going to send out emails or have your grown-ups send out emails and social media posts to earn donations. When you get your first donation, you're going to get a check. And if you complete all the steps in Finn's mission, you are going to earn yourself a lifesaver. I'll get a notification, I'll put it in your teacher's mailbox, and then you will have your Finn's lifesaver for completing Finn's mission. Next up, Mrs. Burns is joining us in our challenge this year, and I have a little video from her about the challenge, so I'm going to hand it over to her to let you know about that.
Hello, little cards. Are you ready for this challenge? Please join Miss DH and I as we jump into the Heart Challenge this school year. Boys and girls, I have a challenge for you. All you have to do is sign up for our heart challenge, and if we can get 50% of our school to sign up, guess what? We will get $500 worth of physical education equipment donated to our school. Do you know what that means? More fun for all of us, right? So are you ready to take the challenge? Are you ready to get moving and be kind to one another? I'm sure you are. So boys and girls, all you have to do is go to heart.org/kidsheartchallenge and search Pine Grove Area Elementary School in PA to get signed up. Boys and girls, go ahead and try to make that challenge.
Alright, before you head back to class, I want to let you know about our school goal. So our goal is pretty big, but I know we're going to work together and we're going to work hard and we are going to meet our goal. So our goal this year is $15,000. I know it's a huge number, but if we all work together, we work hard, we are going to meet our goal for the American Heart Association and our Kids Heart Challenge. So some fun incentives that I have for you, in addition to the thank you gifts that you're going to get. If you raise $75, you are going to become part of my Kick It Club. You'll get your name on a kickball out in my bulletin board so everyone in the school can see that you are a heart hero and you're raising money. If you raise $150, last year you got slimy. This year you're going to get to color blast me. So you get to throw this color powder on me and make me all dirty and all colorful. So I'm looking forward to that this year. So $75, you make it on my Kick It Wall of Fame out in the hallway. $150 after our challenge is done, you will get to color blast me with some powder. All in our efforts to raise money for the American Heart Association and kids with different hearts. So, like I asked you at the very beginning, are you ready? Are you ready to take on the challenge? Are you ready to be active, to be kind, to move more, to learn some awesome jump rope skills and tricks? I think you are. So, if you go online tonight to register, you are going to earn yourself our red Jump on Board wristband. So just for signing up online, you don't have to fundraise or anything. You are going to earn yourself a wristband, and I'll get that to your teacher, and they'll get it to you. So we're going to heart.org/KHC, and you can search Pine Grove Area Elementary School, PA, to find our website and start raising money with us for the Kids Heart Challenge. So I am super excited to move more with you, to learn about our hearts, and to learn some more jump rope skills and tricks. So I will see you next gym class.